The other section of this screen is exporting to a payroll program. Again, we need to select our date range. So we'll say the 20th again till the 2nd of September, and we click on Payroll Export. The download has started. So in this particular case, with this particular export module, and we'll get back to some details of that later, the export is via a text file. So the ClickClock program saves a text file to the downloads folder on your computer, and then in your payroll program you import that data.